One of the things I see all the time is people get stuck before they even get started. So we're gonna make it super easy to get started. We're gonna call it the big idea. You do not need perfection, you just need a general direction. What is it generally that you think you wanna do? So here are some of the nuggets that I have seen turn into incredible community businesses. I just wanna help people with their health. Great. That is a perfect place to start. We can get more and more specific from there, but you don't need more than that. Another, I'm obsessed with, or I can't stop thinking about, in this case, film photography. Wonderful, that's perfect. I keep having the same conversations about money with my friends. Finally, I love this. It is such a great little formula, which is, man, I wish I knew. Man, I wish I knew this when I graduated. Man, I wish I knew this 6 months ago. When you have that moment, stop yourself and say, wait a second, is this an opportunity to create a community business? Now that we have a big idea, it is all about your ideal member. Who is the person out there in the world who wants and needs your community the most right now? These are highly motivated people. And I can say this with great confidence, watching literally millions of people across an incredibly diverse set of communities. There is someone out there right now who is waiting for the community that you are creating because they are your ideal member. There is actually a formula for finding that incredibly motivated person. And it's really simple. Human being plus a transition. We are born, we grow up, we take on challenges. Those transitions are absolute community gold because it is when people are the most motivated. They're motivated to join new things. They are motivated to contribute. They are motivated to bring in new people, and they love to talk about the progress that they're making. You want to spend your time defining who you serve. You get this right, and you have got the easiest path to a really profitable business that you can be proud of. So let's take an example of the ideal member for a death doula community. The person would be an aspiring caregiver, hungry for the training that's going to allow them to offer their service to people and their families at the end of life. Sober moms, young moms who want to stop drinking, building sobriety habits on your own when they are still fresh and fragile, not so easy. Much easier to do that in a community of other young, sober moms. Going from debt to being debt-free. So 30-something men in this particular case, men who have gotten themselves into trouble with crypto, gambling, sports betting, getting out from under the weight of debt by changing lifestyle and identity. Each of these examples are communities on Mighty that are making over $15,000 a year right now today. And as you can see, it's not about a single personality. Members are talking and building relationships with other members, being a part of an amazing community that is helping people go through transitions from one stage of life or one level of skill to the next. All right, I want to talk about results and transformation. I like to call it your best year ever or your members' best year ever. Why? Because it's more fun. What can your members do a year from now that they can't do today? I want to break down the sentence or the story that you're telling about someone's best year ever. What are the results? What is the transformation they're going to have? And then you got to add memorable details. The world is a busy place, and to get people's attention, you got to tell a story. So step one, instead of just focusing on numbers or metrics, find a moment where you tell somebody a story and they can picture their best year ever. Step two, add a witness, add somebody else reacting to your member doing something amazing, and it captures their best year ever. Finally, surprise them. Have a good time with it. It's not about over-promising, it's about creating a North Star. All right, let's take an example. Bird aromatherapists who are helping birds through aromatherapy. So imagine the best year ever for a bird aromatherapist. It could be that you solved a parrot's plucking problem and you saw the owner and they cried. Word gets out in the avian vet community that you are somebody that absolutely should be called on. And finally, the weird thing becomes the whole thing. And they are now doing something that they are absolutely passionate about. Take an aspiring caregiver who wants to become a death doula. Imagine their best year ever. At the end of the year, they have helped 20 families through the hardest moment of their life. A widow tells them they couldn't have done this without them. And finally, they no longer fear death. And that calm is contagious. They start to get requests from hospice nurses for their card, and they become an important part in one of the most important transitions in the world. Newly sober moms with young kids. Imagine they hit 1 year and their kid says to them, "Mom, you're different now," as a compliment. They've become the person in the group chat that their friends want to call at 2 a.m. And finally, the habits that feel really fragile right now are a normal, natural part of this mother's life. A professional knife sharpener. They built a wait list, and a Michelin star chef has personally requested that they come and sharpen their knives. A customer says, "I didn't know my knives could be this sharp," and books it for a life. Your member is able to quit their old job. They have a business that they are proud of. That's a best year ever. All your big purpose is a very specific way of talking to people about what you are building. And it's this: I bring together, or we bring together, your ideal member, so that we can have our best year ever. Whatever your best year ever is, just stick it in there. Why this? Any human being is listening for, is this for me or somebody I know? And what would they get from it? Your big purpose delivers that on a perfectly beautiful silver platter for you to be able to take out into the world. The clearer you are with your big purpose, the more you are getting it out there to the right people, to find the people to bring in to join you. And this is especially true if you are somebody who has not done any marketing at any point in time, has never done sales before, doesn't have an email list. Your big purpose is how you start talking to people, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that a little bit later. Here's the beautiful thing about how a big purpose works in practice. I'm sitting there talking to another human being. In this case, I'm going to talk to Jonah, who's behind the camera right now, and I'm going to tell him about my new community. All right, so everybody ready for this? Ready, great. Hey, Jonah, how's it going? So good, right? Jonah asked me, what are you up to? And I say, you know, it's so funny you say that, Jonah. I am working on a new community. I'm bringing together people who want to make the perfect venison stew in the Midwest in the winter of 2026. And it's going to be a cook-off so that we can, once and for all, determine the right cut of meat, the right preparation, and the ultimate venison stew experience that then takes the internet by storm, turns into a Food Network show, and puts venison stew on the map in a way that has never happened before. Because I made that really specific about venison stew, it was memorable enough that even if it's not for you, you're kind of along for the ride, either because you think I've lost my mind around venison stew, or because it's just an interesting story. And as human beings, we are storytellers and we are story receivers. That is the power of a big purpose, is how our brains are wired to pay attention in a moment where so many people have so many distractions. So a big purpose sentence, this formula, it's a breakthrough. We are not going to entertain the fear around charging because people pay attention to what they pay for. And today, the worst communities are free. Here's the simplest way to think about pricing. Now, I will say, this is pricing that works on a mighty network. When we look across our platform, the average price is $48 a month. So that is where we're going to start. So $48 a month, $480 a year, because you'd like to give people a couple months free when they buy an annual membership. And I am a big believer in annual memberships and happen to have a lot of data that backs me up. People who are on annual Mighty plans are seeing 41% more revenue than those who are on monthly plans. Because when you're on a monthly plan, your mindset is this thing going to work? Whereas when you commit to something annually, people pay attention to what they pay for, they make the investment, they're going to be better members. So here's how you adjust for your specific ideal member, your specific purpose. First, $48 a month, you adjust for results. What is it worth to your member to have their best year ever? If somebody is going to get a raise by being a better engineering leader than they are today, that could be $20,000 a year in terms of an increase in salary. That means that your community is worth significantly more than $48 a month to that member. If they're able to achieve those results are quantifiable. Adjust for replacement. What is the investment in your community replacing? It might replace a book. It might replace another training somebody's going to do. It might replace going back to school for something that is much, much, much more expensive. Finally, adjust for respect. What do I mean by respect? People pay attention to what they pay for. When they are not paying for something, they do not value it. And that actually also goes for you. So if you're charging $5 a month instead of $48 a month, first of all, people are going to just want more and more stuff from you anyways, and you may not actually respect it in the same way. That's how you get to your price. It's very straightforward. So, No Bad Dogs official club. This is for dog lovers searching for at-home dog training options. They charge $39 a month, and then they also have a $20 a month recall training. Why can they charge $39 a month? How did they make that adjustment? So number one, it replaces the $500 or $1,000 couch your dog eats because they're not trained. Or the $2,000 board and train option that is not at-home training. And finally, at $39 a month, you are paying attention. The Moto Academy, this is for motorcycle enthusiasts. They are $99 a month with an annual option of $999 a year. What is the result that those riders want? They want to have confidence. They want to make sure that they are safe and they are the kind of person that their friends ask to lead a ride. They are replacing that $800 training session, but it's one and done. It's expensive enough where you're going to take it seriously, which means you're taking your safety seriously and they're able to offer more and more value. Good Soil HQ, this is for business owners who are ready to start a new venture. $140 a month or $1,500 a year plus $499 to go to an in-person event. Imagine being able to save money on the mistakes you didn't make. And they quantify it to be about $50,000 of potential mistakes that they will help you avoid. It replaces a $25,000 executive coach or consultant that you would otherwise be paying for accountability. When you can do it in the context of a community, it also means you can get accountability from more people. Finally, that respect piece, $140 a month, is going to make sure that every member is paying attention. These are examples. Start at $48, adjust up or down for results, for replacement, and for respect, for you to invest in the community and for your members to pay attention. Watch the video here to learn how.